You know what I love? AI. You know what I love even more? Minecraft. So this week, I created the world's best voice-controlled Minecraft. For my Pilot City option, I chose alan.app. They're a Sunnyvale-based AI company focusing mainly on voice recognition. The leader, Dave, suggested that we make our favorite game voice-controlled. Now, my first thought was Minecraft, because I love Minecraft. But unfortunately, Dave said this.
A lot of those games can be completely out of the scope of the length of this project, right? This project isn't going to go forever, so you have to think about, okay, what's something simple and fun that I can add a voice assistant to? Because you'll need an application that's already there to add the voice assistant to.
Now, I'm not sure if it's just me being rebellious, but I took this as a challenge. You know what I love? 1,000 lines of code, a 15-line web server. I don't even know what this is, but it's pretty cool. How does it work? I'm so glad you asked. First, let's start off with the actual alan.app part of things. I'm not just saying this because I want to get hired. This is the best experience I've ever had with a voice recognition software. It is so simple. Let me show you. All you have to do is type what you want it to respond to and then copy and paste from their API, and that's literally it. I did this 1,000 times for each move, and that's it. Now onto my 15-line web server. All this does is it takes what we get from Alan and saves it to a file, and there are much better ways of doing this, but this gets the job done. Now, I thought the project was halfway over. All I had to do was convert these commands into keystrokes. How hard could that be? But, for whatever reason, it was the hardest thing to do. I do all my work on a MacBook, so overcoming the security was a pain, but even after that, it was just crashing. But I didn't quit. I spent long, hard, enduring hours getting it to walk in a straight line. Now, all that's left to do is get the mouse working. I tried a few different libraries, and some worked okay, but for whatever reason, none of them would work on Apple Minecraft. So I made a very long, thought-out, smart decision. Okay, so now the mouse and everything works great, and all I have to do is connect the pieces. It took a little bit of trial and error, but it eventually actually worked. Look up 90 degrees. Turn left 30 degrees. Walk forward for 4 seconds. Turn right 10 degrees. Turn around. Turn left 15 degrees. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward. Okay, so I'm gonna have the alan.app on this computer, and then the other one on this computer. I don't know. Jump. Oh, this is gonna. It was at this moment I knew that the jumping was gonna be an issue. Walk forward. Jump. 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 Step right. Step right. Step right. Jump. 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 Right. Right. Jump. Right. 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 Jump. 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 I'm gonna cheat and turn on auto jump. This is painful. Step forward. Walk forward for 1 second. Walk forward for 1 second. Walk forward for 2 seconds. Turn around. Oh god. Look left 50 degrees. Look left 10 degrees. Walk forward for 1.3 seconds. Jump. Walk forward for 0.1 seconds. Look left 45 degrees. Mine. No, I have to craft for it because it's not quite that smart yet. So that took me, is that 20 minutes? It took me about 20 minutes to get this much done. Considering I did it all by my voice, this is exactly what I expected. Honestly, it's just as bad as I thought. It's pretty bad. You can't actually play a game like this, but at least now we know. But this is pretty dumb. But yeah, there you go. That's voice controlled Minecraft. It works, I guess. Didn't really achieve my goal of making it more accessible to disabled people. Maybe with some refinement. The biggest thing right now is just the time it takes to process it. How it is right now, it won't work.